Breaking news. Klarna IPO delayed. Swedish fintech giant Klarna has once again postponed its long-awaited IPO, pushing its public market debut to after the summer, and possibly even later. Let's break down why this $15 billion listing is stuck in limbo. Klarna was once Europe's most valuable startup, worth over $45 billion. But after some tough years, its value dropped to just under $7 billion in 2022. After years of cost-cutting and AI-driven restructuring, the company aimed for a $15 billion IPO this April. But those plans fell apart when President Trump announced new taxes on goods from other countries, called tariffs, which caused chaos in global financial markets. Stock prices dropped fast. The S&P 500, which tracks the 500 largest companies in America, fell over 10% in just 2 days. The Nasdaq, which includes large technology companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon and more, dropped so much that it entered what's called a bear market. That's when prices fall 20% or more from recent highs, and it usually means investors are worried about the economy. But since then, the markets have bounced back. After President Trump announced a 90-day pause on most tariffs, both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq recovered much of their losses, with stocks climbing sharply as investor confidence returned. However, with all this uncertainty, Klarna decided to pause its IPO, meaning they're waiting for calmer times. Now, Swedish news outlet Dagens Industri reports Klarna won't list until after summer, citing sources close to the company. Analysts say Klarna is waiting for Trump's 90-day pause on tariffs to end in July, but they might wait even longer if things don't settle down. Klarna's IPO isn't just about one company. It's a test for the whole fintech world, which has had a tough time since the market crash in 2022. If Klarna succeeds, it could bring new excitement and money into companies offering buy now, pay later, and other tech-driven finance tools. But if the delays keep coming, it could mean more trouble for the industry. Klarna insists it's business as usual, but insiders say the company is scrambling to prove its AI-driven turnaround can withstand a potential recession, which is when the economy slows down and people spend less money. For now, all eyes are on Klarna to see if it can finally make its big debut and what that will mean for the future of fintech. Follow Echoo for real-time updates on Klarna's IPO saga and how Trump's trade wars are reshaping global markets.